Hi guys! After we debate the existence of poetry in science, and after you share your thoughts and opinions about it with your classmates, we are going to continue discovering other points of view. Most of you said that poetry is about feeling, meanwhile science is about facts, so that they are nothing to do with each other. Most of students believe that. They believe the same as you. Well, let me prove you wrong. Behind us there is the famous English poet John Keats, who defines philosophy, meaning science, as follows. Philosophy would clip an angel's wings. He's saying that science was how to dissolve beauty, because it conquers all mysteries by ruling line, empty the haunted air, and numb mind, unwave a rainbow. I think this over-romanticizes both poetry and science, which have gotten fine for 2 millennia and today are enriching their dialogue. Maybe the relationship between poetry and science provokes passion because it is parental. Poetry was the first written way we addressed such questions as what is the world made of and how did it come to be. Science was born in poetry. Isn't it amazing? You can find poetry anywhere you look at. Remember that science is science, not silence. Where do you have to look in order to find words in your science field? There are some words in science that are poetry themselves. Entling, for example, is the last living representative of a species. That's a good beginning for a tragic poem, isn't it? Now it is your turn to think about the poetry of science. Make your own comic using the application that we have been discussing in other classes and show us your top 5 words. That's it. You can be a poet too. Look for your words and let the poet in you rise above.